for most of us who are growing a beard, there will come a time when you'll want to get it trimmed. Obviously there's two choices. You can either do it yourself or you can go to your local barbers. Both are obviously great options. If you do it yourself, obviously you'll need to know what you're doing and be confident in your abilities, because you don't want to get halfway through and realise you've messed it up and then you're stuck and probably have to shave it off. No one wants that. But if you go to a barber, they can do all the hard work for you, but there is the drawback that they might take too much off or do it in a style that you're not happy with. So there is that sort of risk. So you've got to sort of balance out whether you trust yourself really to do it, or whether you want to leave it to the professionals who maybe don't know inside out exactly what you're looking for. But yeah, that's a choice you've got to make, I guess.